All right, I'm back at the grocery store today. Was feeling a little, well, my throat was a little dry, sore. I was a little hoarse. I do a lot of talking. So, my throat can get a little scratchy and things of that, which causes me to cough a lot, especially at nighttime with the dry air. And, it's cold here where I am. And with the dry air, I get to coughing. Well, came to the grocery store, and the best remedy besides buying a cough syrup, which people will resort to very quickly to eliminate the cough, is cough syrup. No, cough syrup it has chemicals, it has toxins, it has side effects. It's not good for the body. What is the best natural cough suppressant, or that has a lot of nutrients as well to fight viruses such as colds and flu, in which we are in the cold and flu season, as they call it, is, look at that, pineapple juice. All right, I prefer fresh pineapple, but since it's not the season, although you can buy pineapples, I prefer not to. So I have to work with what I have, and that is Dole's pineapple juice. I usually get like this, I think it's 6-ounce cans, and you drink it. Pineapple has an enzyme in it called bromelain. Bromelain is a natural cough suppressant. Actually, this enzyme is only found in pineapples, at least in the United States. I'm sure there might be other countries that have fruit that contain it, but in the United States, it's the best cough suppressant ever. So if you have a cough, if your child has a cough, pineapple juice. Resort to pineapple juice. Great cough remedy. Plus, it has a lot of antioxidants, fights viruses, fights colds. Do yourself good. All right, Dr. Watts, the DWO in the House of Wellness.